Welcome back to another Bassman J. Just got back from a Pensacola fishing trip about 2 weeks ago, and I only go once or twice a year, so I don't buy the saltwater reels. I take my catfishing reels, bass reels, and do my ocean fishing. Get that salt and sand in them, and that's not good on the berry because they're not made for that. So what I do when I get back, fill my cooler up with water, set them down in it, let them soak for about a day, pull them on out, I'll set them out in the sun for a while, let them get good and dry, and then we'll pull them apart and get some grease in them, get them all working good so they don't rust up. So as you can see, like right in here, all that filled up. This is inside of my cooler. There's for my rods. All this right here, that is all the salt / sand that come out of the reels when they were soaking. As you can tell, very important to make sure that we rinse these out, soak them out, and get them all done. Probably have more in there when we go to pull them apart. Put grease in them that we'll have to clean out. Take these apart, grease them up now. They're all dried up and being soaked to get the sand and salt out. We can screw the end off. And all your gears inside. Take and wipe the inside out, get all them gears out, get all the old grease, in case there's sand and salt up in that grease. Add everything you can, get it as clean as you can. Got some real grease here. Take, squeeze that grease all back down in there. Make sure it's covered real good. Don't take a bunch, but enough to where that bottom nut's covered good. And then what I'll usually do is also come on up here, this one. Make sure it's greased real good. You can see the yellow on both, where that grease is in there. And I'll usually do the same thing with this one. Take the bottom of it, all up in the inside, wipe it all out real good. Get any excess salt, sand, old grease. Clean that all out. And then the same thing, just take and just put a little bit of dab of grease in there, just enough where you can lightly cover it. And then we're ready to slide it all back together. Now we're going to put our reel back on. And see how it works. Running pretty good. Thanks for watching Bassman J. Hit that subscribe button and like button. Please share with your fellow fishermen. And as always, good fishing.